Hi guys! I wanted to show you a quick and really easy way of how to get rid of creases on clothes in Photoshop. I am often asked by my retouching clients to get rid of creases on clothes in their product photos, or with fashion shots I got requests of smoothing out clothes a little bit. So I came up with this method which I will show you. Here we have this image of a gorgeous model, Lydia. I will leave a link to her Instagram in the description. I took this image a while ago and I really love it, but have a look at the dress. It's full of creases and wrinkles. So what are we going to do is we are going to start with just creating a blank new layer, just a normal blend mode. And with an eyedropper tool, which is just here, we sample the color from the dress. Let's say we start from the midtones, just let's say here. And we take a soft round brush, which is the default brushes in Photoshop under general brushes, soft round, hardness 0%, opacity 100, flow 6%, and we just start painting over. And as you can see, the creases just disappear. And again, you sample and you paint over. Sample, let's say from here this time, and you paint over. Start from here. And we smooth it out. I'm going to switch to my Wacom tablet now, so it's much easier, but I'm not so much hooked on using the tablet all the time. Mostly I use mouse, but tablet might be just quicker in some cases. I'm using the shortcut, which is I on the keyboard for the eyedropper, and I just sample. Oh, there we go. And then we turn to brush. Sample with eyedropper and paint. You always need to sample the color so that you maintain the original structure and colors of the dress. And again, sample the color and paint. I don't know why there is this white circle here. I hope it disappears in a moment. So there we go. Let's sample again from some darker color. Oh, you know what? I will just... Oh, it disappeared. Brilliant. Yeah. Sometimes it's just some glitches in Photoshop. Oh, here we go again. Let me just... Oh, do it like this. And let's sample it again. Let's sample from here, maybe some mid-tone color. Oh, like this. Oh, no, it's darker again. Yeah, there we go. What is brilliant with this method, it's when you're doing artistic photos, it gives you the painterly effect. So it's really nice. And it works wonderful when you have like a tulle dress, and you can create some really lovely painterly texture, which is also three-dimensional with the painting. Gorgeous. Oh, why is the eyedropper tool not sampling? Oh, there we go. Now we sample. There we go. For brush, I'm using the shortcut B on the keyboard, and for eyedropper, as I said, I. So it's easy to switch with them when you're using keyboard and pen or a mouse, depending on what you prefer. There we go, eyedropper. Yeah. Can also sample this color. And let's work a bit here. Let's make the brush a little bit bigger so that we cover the bigger area. Let's make it smaller here. Oh, doesn't sample. Sample from here. Let's do the edges. Oh, Control and C on the keyboard if you make the mistake. Again, Control I, and there we go, painting. Of course, the ideal situation would be, oh, Control C. The ideal situation would be to make sure you iron your clothes before the shoot. For example, when I did that shoot, I put the dress into my bag, so no wonder it was all wrinkled afterwards. But oh well, we cannot prevent everything from happening. Yeah, Control Z, and eyedropper and brush. Eyedrop and a brush. And let's sample this one a bit. Oh, no. It's a darker color. Okay. I think with Wacom tablet you can set up some shortcuts within your pen, so you don't have to use keyboard so much, but I haven't discovered it yet, to be honest. Again. Oh, there we go. Maybe let's try it. If I press this, no, if I press that, I got a brush. Alright, so it doesn't work for me at the moment. Okay, let's turn to keyboard and tablet combination. Oh, what's this? Oh. Let's use this. Oh. Control Z. Sorry for the glitches, it sometimes happens, especially when I have mouse and tablet combination. So, I mean the mouse is sitting next to my tablet, so sometimes they interfere with each other. But I find some things works better with a mouse and some things just goes better and quicker with a tablet. So I tend to use them both and get some interference. Let's go with this. Oh, not this color. This color. There we go. All right. Let's do this one. Okay, and let's reduce creases in this little part here. If you made a mistake and you want to, well, you go over the edge of the dress or something, I personally, for this type of job, will prefer to use just the eraser, but you can always use the mask and mask it out if you prefer. B for the brush. Oh, it's sampling. Okay, there we go. Okay, wonderful. Let's fix the creases on the bodice now. Let's do this color. See how they disappear? Magic. Let's get rid of the creases here. Of the light midstone color. And a little bit of highlight. Just here. Oh, brilliant. Yes, let's get rid of creases on the sleeves a bit. You have to be careful not to go over the hair too much. And let's sample here. Sample this one. Oh, no. Let's sample the dark color. Eyedropper. Yeah, there we go. Okay, brilliant. Let's take a look at the before and after. Yeah. I thought I don't have before and after, but oh yes. I don't know why this little thingy has turned on. So this is the before and this is the after. Alright, I hope you like it and I will try to post some more videos soon. Thank you!